Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a cafeteria sells 134.63 liters of lemonade on Monday and 13.67 liters more than this quantity on Tuesday. So, how much liter of lemonade they sold in total? We have given that number of liters of lemonade sold on Monday is 134.63 liters. Okay, then number of lemonade sold on Tuesday is 13.67 more than 134.63. So it is 134.63 plus 13.67. So it will be 148.3 liters. Now the total number of liters of lemonade can be calculated by number of liters of lemonade sold on Monday, so it is 134.63 plus number of liters of lemonade sold on Tuesday, so it is 148.3. So it will give 282.93 liters. Hence, they sold 282.93 liters of lemonade on total. Okay.